Good morning, sir. So this is our batch number 15. Myself, Ansh Jain. These are the group members, Pratyush Mittal, Kathit Bhongale. So our project is to create a smart fan with security features. So this is the main objective of our project. We aim to create a smart ceiling fan, pedestrian fan, which will sense the temperature of its surroundings and automatically activate on hitting threshold temperature and run until its surrounding is cooled down to a set temperature with secure access to change the settings for the security feature. Now, this is the designing process of this project. So the features that we'll be using for the designing the temperature sensing to automatically control the fan speed and 16 cross 2 LCD display to display the current temperature of the room, voice controlled remote control manual for operation, RFID protection for updating threshold temperature settings, security mode working for a burglary system using PIR sensor for motion sensing. These are all the tools required. Will be using Uno R3, fan blades, PIR sensor for motion sensing, temperature sensor for sensing the temperature, and 16 cross 2 LCD display. Power supply, LED microphone, jumper wires, resistor, IR sensor, RFID sensor, and buzzer. So this is the block diagram of our project. These are all the inputs. Temperature sensor, exactly LM35. Motion sensor, that is, we are using a PIR sensor. RFID sensor, and these are all the outputs. 16 cross 2 LCD display, as discussed, to show the temperature of the room. Security alarm, to a fan. So this is the algorithm flow chart. If the temperature is less than 25, the fan will automatically be turned off. If it is greater than 50, it will inform the user to turn on the AC and will turn off the fan itself. If the temperature is ranging between 25 to 50, it will check whether the person is still inside the room using the PIR sensor, that is motion sensor. And if the person is still inside the room, it will turn on the fan, else it will turn off the fan. Uh, Now Pratish will explain you the Tinker card experiment.
So now start with component list. So the component list are Arduino Uno R3, which is the heart of our project. Then there are the sensors. There are two sensors, temperature sensor and PIR sensor. Then we are using piezo, DC motor, LCD, keypad, one resistor, four batteries, one relay acidity, and one potentiometer. So let's start. What we did in our Tinker card. Yeah. In step one. So first of all, I let you know what all the parts I use. This is the keypad. This all are the four batteries. This is the heart, Arduino Uno. This is our LCD. This thing, this small thing, is our temperature sensor, which plays an important role. This is a potentiometer. This this is our PIR sensor. This thing is the DC motor. This is piezo. So let's start with our project. Okay. So after starting the simulation, first of all, it will show the output as welcome. So I have started my initialization, which we have obviously coded in it. So step two. In this step, PIR sensor will start detecting the movement in room and finds no one in the room. As you can see, this thing, this we can rotate and move. Okay, now it will show that room empty. In step three, the PI we have moved this so that PIR sensor will get that someone is in the room. So, so to start PIR is asking for its password. First password. The other correct password is 3214. But we have given it in, like we can only attempt three times. So first of all, we will put wrong password. So to check that our code is working for password or not, as you can see, as we put 369 and it's showing it's incorrect. That means our code is working. So after this, we will put that 3214. Now what will happen? Now, after inserting the correct password, we will keep temperature sensor at normal temperature, room temperature. At normal temperature, it will show that fan is not required. Now, with the help of these things, this these things, we will we will change the temperature manually. So change the temperature to 34 degrees centigrade. So it will show me that the fan speed should be 36 degrees to maintain the heat of the our uh, project. Now I have manually changed the heat of my uh, heat heat. I have manually changed the heat to highest heat. So our sensor is like suggesting us to use AC to so that no part can will get damaged. Now 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 we will see the now we will see the live simulation of our project using Tinkercad. So first of all we will give an eye on our code. So this is the code of our program of our project which I already attached in my PPT. So let's start the simulation. So now it is showing where comes the initializing. Now we will give some input to our PIR server, so it will detect that there is some. So now it's asking for password. The password is 3, 2, 1, and 4. So after putting it will show the it's a correct password. Now it's showing temperature is normal, fan is not required. Now what I will do, I will just simply go on this. I will just increase slightly temperature. Just not that much. Okay. I have put in my temperature 44 degrees centigrade. So it's showing that the fan speed should be 76%. Now if I decrease the temperature, it's showing temperature is normal, fan is not required. Now if I increase the temperature very high, so it's showing we have to use AC. So that's the use of temperature sensor. Thanks.
So sir, now let's see the working of the project. As you can see, there is no one in the room, as no motion is detected by the PIR sensor, and hence room empty message is being displayed on the screen. When the PIR sensor senses the motion, as you can see here, the motion is sensed by the PIR motion. The system asks the user for the password, and enter password message is being displayed. Now, after the password is provided to the system, the temperature sensor senses the temperature and accordingly adjusts the fan speed. As you can see here, as the temperature is getting higher, the fan speed is also getting higher. From 40% now it's showing to 44%, and now it's going to show 48%. Now, but when the temperature gets beyond a certain point, the message is displayed to turn off the fan and turn on the AC, and the fan is shut off. Now, if the password is not provided to the system, buzzer is activated and breach message is displayed on the LCD screen. You can see the follow. As you can see, breach message is displayed on the LCD screen. Uh, that's our project, sir. Hope you like it. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to exercise our ideas in making of this project. Thank you.